Can you pull that out, please?
Two pieces.
What is that? Oh, there's two pieces.
Oh yes, two pieces. Right, well, very carefully wrapped them.
Can you lift this, please? Just gently. Oh, that's one of the best preserved specimens. Take it toward the camera, please. Don't move it. Just turn it toward the camera, like as if it's in a. Oh, look at that! It was so fragile, and it is still fragile. This is LF1, Ferrassie 1, the most complete skull and actually the whole skeleton of a Neanderthal ever discovered 48,000 years ago. It's amazing that survived all of that. There are theories about the formation of it. For example, they say that the shape of the tooth suggests that he may have used it for holding the objects or straps. And after death, it seems it was crushed, something on it. Maybe a wall, or it was kept in a cave, or maybe even a very simple grave. Amazing. Do you want to put the skull on the jaw? So if you want to see how it looks, you have to turn the camera. Because practically the spine was holding it upright. So that's the way the head was. Quite big brain case. And this is a deformation in the tooth. You can see that. It was pushed up as if he used it for holding the objects. You can see the wear and tear on these ones. He had a rough life. And yeah, interesting. He had something here. And they said that it was squashed on the right. So that side, or this side, must have been something fallen on it, as if it was in under a wall or cave, or earthquake caused the wall collapse. Or maybe it was on a grave made of the slabs of stone, then later collapsed on his head. That's very interesting. One of the most complete specimens of a Neanderthal. And now we have it here. It's two scientists. Amazing. Thank you, Denis. You can see the deformation here. That's the deformation. This part is pulled upward, the tooth here on the upper jaw, because he was holding objects with it, and this part also, and the wear and tear on the here. He lived a full life. He was an adult, huh? Do you see the wisdom tooth in there?
Yeah. It could have been anything up to 49 years old.
He lived long.
Mm-hmm.
The tooth are very strong. He may have a few broken tooth, or no, it's a jaw. Yeah,
No, that's the bone the periodontal cavity connecting the teeth, and he's hardly lost any. Maybe a couple of wisdom teeth. I'll count them. Wait a minute. No, I'll do that later.
Okay, this is a LF1 Neanderthal skull, and this is a modern human being, Homo sapiens. We bought this actually in the Wilkinson when they were selling the skulls for the Halloween. And it looked so real, we picked it, and then we discovered that this actually, the facial features of it, the bone structure, is showing a Chinese or East Asian individual, probably a female. So it's a nice comparison. Almost they are one by one size, you know, they are the scale, true scale. You can see the size of the brain of the Neanderthal was almost the same size as the Homo sapiens. If I push this back, you will see that. That Halloween one was real bargain. And this is the Neanderthal.